between these blue belt matches and these purple belt
I feel like
matches.
you're gonna start to see a lot of technical elements, start to arise. You're gonna see them working a lot more technique, but also a lot of explosion. A lot of confidence into these moves. So we're gonna hopefully see some cool stuff, man. And that's what makes submission grappling exciting.
As in the blue belt matches, I was seeing there's still lots of strength.
Oh, absolutely. A lot of Hulk smash going
Yes.
on. But once that transitions, strength is always going to be obviously a factor no matter what.
Mm-hmm.
But the technique really equalizes all of that. And it's really cool to see once, you start getting into the higher ranks how, you learn when to use strength in the proper moments and how much that makes a difference. Here we go.
We got Brittney Hoover versus Torrie O'Neill. Torrie O'Neill making her way to the mat now. This is a 6-minute match.
And once again, I want to give a shout out to our sponsors, One Plant, Combat Knife, Retro Grappler, Graphic Stairway, and Black Lab Organics. Coming here, we're very grateful for all of our sponsors, helping come together for the great event on. Here we go. Both fighters ready, and we are right into the action here. Trying to work to the cage, but
neither lady really giving the ground.
Giving the ground. Now we have him up against the cage now. Seems to be where we want to be. Let's see if we can get him down to the ground. Looks like we got a guillotine attempt there, but no give.
Looks like that hair is going everywhere. I would imagine sometimes that much hair could be a liability.
Oh yeah, no, for sure. I know personally it can get out of hand. So, but right now it just looks like she can't get the angle. Maybe needs to change levels and make something happen here.
Both ladies still jockeying for position. Neither has appeared to look like they were going to change levels yet.
No, it's just hand fighting and trying to get that head to each side. I don't see them exploding.
Oh, nice.
Very impressive. Going for the throw. The setup was there. Very nice. Top position there. And the pressure is on now. Looks like she's pushing the elbow, trying to go for an arm bar.
In that side control position. Is that an MMA term? Or is that a jiu-jitsu?
Side control?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that's just a jiu-jitsu grappling term.
Okay.
There you go, going for the Americana. Straightening that arm.
Oh.
Good defense. Very nice. Very good job trying to isolate that arm.
Oh, yeah, she did.
Relentless. The match turned very quickly with that toss, and now we see a relentless attack on the opposite arm. Working the key lock, and looks like we have something here.
Wow.
Wow, the flexibility.
Holy smokes.
Get a little bit more pressure down. She's got to get those hips down. That's why she's not finishing that.
And just that shoulder flexibility.
Yeah, really. This is a game of inches. If you turn that shoulder just a little bit, it might not be. It's not going to be putting the pressure that is needed to get the breaking pressure. So that was a very good job to get out of that.
Yeah,
Torrie and Brittney putting on quite a show here. Can't quite get that knee slice out.
Right at
Working to the back. Very nice.
Right at about a minute 20 to go.
Minute 20 to go. Position being advanced now.
Applying that pressure.
You think fatigue starts to kick in at any point here?
Certainly.
Even with the short matches, grappling is
Absolutely.
a whole other animal here.
They spend a lot of time on the feet, jockeying for position. That is attacks on the cardio.
Adrenaline going.
And now Torrie's been on the bottom for the duration since that toss. And Brittney's been bringing that pressure forward the entire time. So
Not playing around. Very good. Doing a good job of controlling and kind of setting up and guiding her where she wants her to go.
oh, she's going to jump for that arm bar.
There we go. You can lean on there, and oh, she loses it.
Oh, and loses the position as well.
Turn very quickly here at the end of the round.
Oh,
There you go. Cartwheel attempt.
how about that?
Going for the cartwheel pass. Crowd loving that.
Yeah, they did.
Crowd loving that.
Looks like she's trying to take the back now.
Trying to turn the table to advance position and take the back.
Right at a minute to go in this 6-minute match.
Looks like the pressure could turn, and now it looks like she's going for the attack on that opposite side arm now.
Yeah.
The tables have turned a little bit here.
Looks like she's trying to pull out a Kimura. How about that agility?
That was
Athleticism.
That was very impressive. Very impressive pass, and that definitely helped turn the tables here in this
Certainly.
match.
I think she did a good job of weathering the storm on the bottom and had a burst of energy of her own to give. So right at 10 seconds left here.
The match looks like it's going to be heading into overtime.
Wow.
And what an exciting match that was. Fantastic.
It's going to go to overtime for these ladies.
Blue corner, Brittney, wins the coin toss.
That might have been the move of the night thus far.
Yeah, for sure. 100%. I don't know. That toss was crazy.
That toss was, yeah, that toss was
That
pretty
toss
slick.
was insane.
So it's a different position they get to start in here. Is this a
The
purple
spider
belt?
Web. So this is the spider web. So this is, you know, attacking the arms. Earlier I said this might be a good position to start from because if you get a,
Just like that, it slipped.
double-edged sword.
Yes.
Double-edged sword. Some celebrating there. Well earned. That was good. So like I was saying, starting as double-edged sword.
Beautiful
'cause
sportsmanship,
you can give,
yeah.
you can give that position up quickly, or you could transition to the back and it'll be a little bit more seamless. So in this case, it did not happen.
Where'd you learn that?
She said she learned that cartwheel at her mom's house.
At her mama's house, BJJ. That was amazing.